Do you dread basement drains? The inlets are beneath the floor slab, and connectors have to be painstakingly assembled to reach floor level. As for maintenance, it's more than awkward. Isn't there an easier way to get things done? There is now, with the new Universal Plus. So what is so radically new about it? The vertical outlet means that for the first time it can be fixed into the floor slab, which greatly simplifies its installation. But that's not all. Find out how the Universal Plus can make your work even easier. The backwater valve is already integrated. This can be easily reached from above and allows free access to the pipe. All of this makes maintenance and cleaning very straightforward. And the waterproof ceiling flange? It's already installed as standard or available as an accessory. Bad smells? They haven't got a chance. Suitable accessories can be easily retrofitted. The 3 standard inlets are located above the floor slab. Very practical. The floor slab only has to be pierced once. This is the first time we have used sustainable recycled material in the production process. So what about the cover? Simply chic and flexible. Choose between various designs made of stainless steel, polymer or eco-guss. The next generation of basement drains. The first with a vertical outlet installed in the floor slab. Saves money during planning, installation and maintenance. The new Universal Plus. Simply simpler.